Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can actually use Zoho Analytics. So in the moment when you are going to create an account, you will be right here import your data. So what you have to do here is that you have to look what you want to actually import. So these are the kind of recently added things. So you can have files and feeds here, cloud storage and drive, databases, data lakes, and many others. So I will just start with the files here, and then what you have to do is you have to create a workspace name. So I can have work Excel, okay, and then you're gonna have description. This is for my work, and here you're gonna have a file type, so you have to also add that. And what you have to do is that you have to choose here if it's Excel. So I'm going to add Excel, but you can of course add CSV, it's okay. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take it and I'm going to paste it. I automatically change to Excel, and I have data location from the local drive, but maybe you can have it from paste data or FTP. And in the moment when you have it, you're going to click next here. Okay. And then what I see here is that select the sheets to be imported. The first 4 rows of each sheet has been listed here. So as you can see, this is what we have. And also the monthly summary, employee performance. And these are the things that I actually got here. So in the moment when I have it and it looks like this, look at that. Then import hidden rows or import hidden columns. Then I'm going to click next here. And now I can have okay, so this is the sales data. And then you're gonna have the first row contains column names, and I have yes. So these are the column names. And then I have also format of date columns. So in the moment when I have these things, also on import errors, what I want to do is that I can set empty value for the columns or skip corresponding rows or don't import the data. So let's say I'm going to not import the data. And then I'm going to click here, create. Okay, so successfully create work Excel sales data, total columns, select for import, total rows, successfully imported, close. And now we are going to be in workspace. So right here, look at it. So now Zoho Analytics can analyze your data, generate reports instantly, and provide suggestions for dashboards. Okay. And look at that. So the AI, or kind of the tool they have, it generated me kind of okay, let's look here for the profit analysis. And look at that. Total profit, difference, region, a category next profit. I can check out the cost analysis. Or I can have the revenue analysis. Or unit price. So then I can click here, save the dashboard. So what actually happens here, look at that. So right now we have the Explorer where we have the data. So here I have, look at that, I have the sales data where what you can edit that, filter it, also adding more things here. And these are the kind of the things that you've added from the Excel. Now what you can of course do, you can create a new one, import data, new table, data timeline, new query, new chart view, new pivot view, new summary view. Or then you can also when you're gonna have that, you're gonna be in the plus here where you can add these dashboards and various reports. And then you're gonna have also the dashboard. This is something that we've already did. And then you can automatically create a dashboard directly from it. So let's say I have the revenue analysis dashboard here. And look at that. So it looks good. You can actually see everything clearly. And now what you can do is that I can click here on the dashboard and I can click here, create a new dashboard. And now we just have these things here. Finish. So we have the reports here. So from the sales data, from the table reports, I can add here cost across the months. Then I got profit analysis, product wise profit. And you can actually see here like various things that you can actually add. And I have also like the sales data. So this is the table, and I can like click here, remove it. Or I can have like the cost by months and the category and region. So this is something that you also got. And you're gonna have plenty of reports here. So this is pretty straightforward. Then you can have also elements. So what you can do, you can like title here if you want, right? And write. Or you can add a paragraph. And you can like change various things here. So that's for the elements what you can do. Or you can add an image or empt. Or you can even add the widget here. So I can click here and add like a DL chart. And then you can like add a data or a bullet chart. And then like data column, and you just like add the bullet chart here based on data that you want. So that's for the widget. Now, when you're gonna be in like reports, so these are the dashboards, these are the reports. And what I can do, I can add a report here. So directly the reports that we got here, we can see also here. And you can add to dashboard and edit it as much as you want. Then you're gonna have the data. So for the data, this is just where you have like all the tables and all the data to be accessed. Ask Zia. This is kind of like their tool that you can like add, and also the Code Studio. Right, it's for the enterprise. But here for the Ask Zia, you're gonna have like what is the average cost, also maximum units sold by category, and it's going to give you the answer based on the dashboard. But of course, you can also use like AI for this. You don't really have to use the, you know, like this thing right here. And that's pretty much how it works, guys. So I just want to make this like very quick and effective for you, like how it works. So hope this provided a little bit of value, what you can actually do with it. And thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.